Hello everyone! Welcome to our comprehensive guide on transferring USDT. Today, we're going to learn how to transfer USDT from your OKX account to your Binance account. This process is essential for anyone looking to manage their cryptocurrency portfolio effectively. This guide is designed especially for you, the women of India who are interested in the exciting world of cryptocurrency. We understand that diving into this new financial frontier can be daunting, but we're here to make it simple and accessible. USDT, or Tether, is a stablecoin. Unlike other cryptocurrencies, its value is designed to remain stable. This means its value is pegged to a stable asset, like the US dollar. This stability makes it a reliable option for trading and transferring funds. This makes USDT a popular choice for trading and transferring value within the cryptocurrency market. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a beginner, USDT offers a secure way to manage your digital assets. Transferring USDT between exchanges is a common practice. It allows you to move your funds where they can be most effective. It allows you to take advantage of different trading opportunities or simply consolidate your assets. By transferring USDT, you can optimize your trading strategy and ensure your funds are always in the best position. Don't worry, the process is simpler than it sounds. We'll walk you through each step, ensuring you understand every part of the transfer process. With this guide, you'll be transferring USDT like a pro in no time. Let's get started. Follow along, and soon you'll have the confidence to manage your cryptocurrency transactions with ease. Before we dive into the step-by-step guide, let's talk about security. Protecting your cryptocurrency is crucial, just like safeguarding your online banking information. Always use strong, unique passwords for your OKX and Binance accounts. A strong password is at least 12 characters long and includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, on both platforms. 2FA adds an extra layer of security by requiring you to enter a unique code from your phone or email in addition to your password. This makes it much harder for unauthorized users to access your accounts. Remember, your cryptocurrency is valuable. Taking these security measures will help keep your assets safe and secure. Now, let's begin the transfer process. First, log into your OKX account. Make sure you're on the official OKX website to avoid phishing scams. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Withdraw section. This is where you'll initiate the transfer of your USDT. You will see a list of cryptocurrencies available for withdrawal. Select USDT from the list. Next, you need to choose the correct account from which you want to withdraw your USDT. OKX offers two types of accounts, funding and trading. Your funding account is like your primary wallet, while your trading account is used for active trading. Select the account where your USDT is currently stored. Now comes an important step, choosing the network for your transfer. For this guide, we'll be using the ERC20 network. This network is known for its speed and compatibility with Binance. Make sure you select ERC20 as the network on OKX. Using the wrong network could result in the loss of your funds, so double-checking this step is crucial. Next, log into your Binance account and navigate to the Deposit section. Here, you will generate the address where you will receive your USDT. Select USDT as the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. Again, make sure you select ERC20 as the network on Binance. Section 5. Step 5 and 6, double-checking and confirming your transfer. Once you've selected USDT and the ERC20 network on Binance, you'll be provided with a unique deposit address. This address is crucial for the transfer process. This address is like your bank account number for cryptocurrency. Copy this address carefully. Make sure there are no errors, as even a small mistake can result in a failed transfer or loss of funds. Now, go back to your OKX withdrawal page. This is where you will initiate the transfer of your USDT to Binance. Paste the Binance deposit address you just copied into the designated field. Double-check that the address is pasted correctly. Before you proceed, double-check that the address and the network, ERC20, are correct. This step is essential to avoid any mistakes. This is a crucial step to ensure your USDT is sent to the right place. Mistakes can be costly, so take your time to verify all details. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer from OKX to Binance. Make sure the amount is within the limits set by both exchanges. Be aware that there might be a minimum withdrawal limit on OKX. Check the limits to ensure your transfer meets the requirements. Once you've entered the amount, review all the details: the selected cryptocurrency, USDT, the network, ERC20, the deposit address, and the amount. Confirm that everything is correct before proceeding. After reviewing, click on the confirmation button to initiate the transfer. This will start the process of moving your USDT from OKX to Binance. You may need to wait a few minutes for the transaction to be processed. Keep an eye on the progress to ensure everything goes smoothly. Once the transfer is complete, you will receive a notification. Congratulations! Your USDT has been successfully transferred to Binance. Section 6, Step 7. Monitoring your transaction and understanding fees. In this section, we will guide you through the process of keeping an eye on your transactions and understanding the associated fees. After you've double-checked all the details and confirmed the withdrawal on OKX, your transaction will be processed. It's crucial to ensure that all the information is accurate to avoid any delays or issues. You can track the status of your transfer in the transaction history section on both OKX and Binance. This feature allows you to see if your transaction is pending, completed, or if there are any issues that need to be addressed. Cryptocurrency transactions typically involve a small fee. This fee is essential for the functioning of the blockchain network. This fee goes to the miners who verify and add transactions to the blockchain. Miners play a critical role in maintaining the security and integrity of the blockchain. The fee amount can vary depending on network congestion and the network you choose. During times of high activity, fees can increase due to the higher demand for transaction processing. You will see your USDT reflected in your Binance wallet once the transaction is confirmed. This confirmation ensures that the transaction has been successfully processed and added to the blockchain. This might take a few minutes to a few hours, depending on network speed. Factors such as network congestion and the efficiency of the blockchain can affect the processing time. Now, you can use your USDT on Binance for trading or other purposes. Whether you want to trade for other cryptocurrencies, invest in different assets, or simply hold your USDT, Binance offers a variety of options to suit your needs. Section 7. Additional tips for smooth transfers. Here are a few additional tips to ensure your USDT transfers go smoothly. Always be mindful of network fees, which can fluctuate. Choosing the ERC20 network is generally recommended for its speed and affordability. Double-check that the network selected on both OKX and Binance matches to avoid any transfer issues. Binance may have a minimum deposit amount for USDT. Make sure your transfer meets this requirement. Use Google Authenticator or other verification methods for enhanced security during the withdrawal process. Section 8. Conclusion. Embracing the world of cryptocurrency. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to transfer USDT from OKX to Binance. By following these steps and prioritizing security, you can confidently manage your cryptocurrency assets. Remember, the world of cryptocurrency is constantly evolving. Stay informed, be cautious, and never hesitate to seek help from reliable sources if needed. Happy trading! If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more cryptocurrency tips and tutorials designed specifically for you.